Good morning, Vanessa. Good morning, Eli.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Mom.
Let's eat. Eli, what's wrong? You look tired.
Mom, I don't feel good.
Oh no. What's the problem?
My head hurts. Do you have a fever? I don't know.
Don't worry. You will be fine. In a little while.
Good morning, everyone. What's happening?
Eli is not feeling well. He has a stomach ache. He needs to rest.
Oh no. Eli, come here. Let me check your forehead. You feel warm.
I think we need to go to the doctor.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, Eli. The doctor will help you. Eli, put on your jacket.
Okay, Mom.
Vanessa, you can come with us.
Okay, Dad.
Today, we will learn English. We are going to the doctor. When you are sick, you can say,
I don't feel well. My head hurts. My throat hurts. I have a fever. Repeat after me.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning, my son is sick.
What is his name?
His name is Eli Smith.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old.
Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Mom, what does take a seat mean?
It means sit down.
You are at the reception. You can say, I have an appointment, or my child is sick, or I need to see the doctor, or how long is the wait?
Mom, how long do we wait? Not long, sweetie.
Eli, look. There are books.
Try to relax. Take deep breaths.
I feel cold. Here is your jacket.
Hello, I'm Dr. Brown.
Hello.
What seems to be the problem?
He has a sore throat and a headache.
Okay. Eli, can you open your mouth? Good. Now I will check your temperature. You have a small fever.
Am I very sick?
No, don't worry. It's just a cold. At the doctor's office, you may hear, what seems to be the problem? Take a deep breath. Does it hurt? You have a fever. Does he need medicine? Yes, he needs cough syrup and rest.
How many times a day?
2 times a day, morning and night.
Can he go to school tomorrow?
No, he needs to stay home and rest.
Yay! No school!
This is not a holiday, Eli.
You can ask, do I need medicine? How many times a day? Can I go to school? When will I feel better?
Hello? How can I help you?
We need this medicine, please.
Here you are. Thank you. Eli, take your medicine.
It tastes bad. Medicine helps you feel better.
Drink water and rest. When you are sick, you should rest. Drink water. Take medicine. Stay warm.
Good morning, Eli. How do you feel?
I feel much better. That's great.
See, the doctor helped you.
I'm not scared of the doctor anymore.
My son is very brave. He is also very wise. He never gets scared. Today he proved it. Today we learned English at the doctor's office. Let's review. When you feel sick, you can say,
I don't feel well. My head hurts.
at reception, I need to see the doctor. At the doctor, it hurts here. How many times a day? Thank you, doctor. So kids, let's go for a walk this evening?
Wow, that's a great idea. But where?
Why not go to the zoo in the evening?
Yes, why not? It would be great fun.
This is the zoo.
Wow, so big.
Look there, elephants
Big nose. It's a trunk.
and a tall giraffe, so high. Look at the dolphins, they are jumping.
Wow, so high!
Yes, very high.
They swim very fast.
They jump to breathe air.
Oh, I see.
This is good ice cream.
Yes, mine is mint. I like pink best.
Vanilla is nice too. Look, a giraffe. Wow, so tall.
Learning English is easy when we learn together.
Even at the doctor. Always speak in very slow and very easy English. Use very short sentences. Practice every day.
See you in the next story.
Bye!